Hello student, this is your teacher here to say that the online study method becomes a more important in case of a natural calamity of emergency. The perfect example in this regard is the recent COVID-19 pandemic that the world is still recovering from. To date, many schools are running online classes for the safety of students. Online study is indeed a safer alternative to school education. Today we will learn a fraction. Okay, this one is fraction here. To understand the fraction we have to learn first. Number one, we consider this one x and this one is y. This one we can say that it is a bar. Okay, you can say that also it is a by, and you can say that it is also upon. Okay, this one is a bar. You can say that it is a by and upon also, and this one is called numerator. Okay, this one is called numerator, this one is called denominator. This x is a variable here, this y is a variable here, so this variable values always change here. So today we will learn how to solve any fraction in the form of numerator and denominator. So let's learn. In this case, firstly we have to learn the addition of fraction. Okay, the first is addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. Okay, how to solve this type of question? The question number A is 1/2 and 3/2. Firstly we have to observe this one. If the denominator is same, if the denominator is same, we have to write the same denominator number as putting here, and this one is 2, and write this one 1 and plus 3. When we add 1 and 3, we get the result as a 4/2. We can solve this 2 is 4 like this, so our answer is 2 also. Okay, if the denominator is same, then we can solve like this. Okay, taking another question like this. Now the question number B is 4/8 and 2/8. Firstly we have to observe this type of question. This one is here like this, denominator is same, so we have to write number denominator same as it is putting here, and write this 4 plus 2, and we get this 4 plus 2 is equal to 6/8. We can solve this. 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. If the denominator is same like this 2/2, if the denominator is same, we can say that it is a like fraction. Okay, if the denominator is say like fraction, it is a like fraction. Okay, if the denominator is different, okay, like this 2/4, denominator is different, 3/8. If the denominator is different, we can say that it is a unlike fraction. Okay, unlike fraction. Okay, and next one is proper fraction and improper fraction. This is a type of fraction. Next one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay, if the numerator is less than denominator, if the numerator is less than denominator, we can say that it is a proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction if the numerator is less than denominator, it is a proper fraction. And then improper fraction, here, if the numerator is greater than denominator, like this 5 by 3, so we can say that it is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, understood. And then last one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, if the question is 3 integer 1 by 4, you can read it, pronounce it 3 integer. It is a positive integer, so we can read it like this, 3 integer 1 by 4. Okay, this one is mixed fraction. We will learning here the addition of fraction. Now the next question is the type of next question is if the base and the denominator is different, how to solve this type of question. The question is 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. Firstly, if the denominator is different, firstly we have to take a LCM. 4 and 8 here. We choose a list a table number like this, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and again 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4 here. Now write like this, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. Okay, like this, and multiply this, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Our LCM is 8. So right here 8 your LCM. Okay, 8 is comes in 4 table 4 2 times. When we read table of 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we can multiply here 3 into 2. Why? Because 4 2s are 8, and then write plus 8 1s are 8. So we can write here 2 into 1 and solve this. 8 is as it is, you can write here 3 2s are 6 here, and 2 1s are 2. Okay, 6 and 2, when we added this numerals, we got the 8, and by 8, when we solve this, 8 1s are 8, result will be 1. Okay, this is the solution of how to solve the different denominator type question. Okay, I'm taking another question. If the denominator is different, like question number is B, 3 by 5 and 2 by 6. This one is here, so we have to take a LCM first, and this one is 5 and this one is 6. No one comes in a same table, so we have to multiply this 5 and 6 here. We got the result as a 30, 5 6 are 30. Okay, write in upon in denominator 30, 5 6 are 30. Okay, 3 5 are, okay, 6 5 are 30, so we can write here 2 into 5. Now you can solve this 30, 3 5 are 15 and 2 5 are 10 here, and you can add this. When we add 15 and 10, we get the result as a 25. So we can write here 25 by 30. We can cancel it by 5 5 are 25 and 5 6 are 30. Our result will be 5 by 6. So this is our addition of fraction. So you can solve this type of question, a very easy question.